French lesson with David. Today our lesson is going to be on the different part of the body. The different part of the human body. We'll start with the first part, which is the head. The head in French is simply la tête. La tête. The head, which is les cheveux. Les cheveux. The eyes, which is les yeux. Les yeux. The nose, le nez. Le nez. The mouth, la bouche. La bouche. The tongue, la langue. La langue. The eyebrows, les sourcils. Les sourcils. The neck, le cou. Le cou. The lips, les lèvres. Les lèvres. The ear, l'oreille. Les oreilles. Les oreilles. The shoulders, les épaules. Les épaules. The chest, la poitrine. La poitrine. The belly, le ventre. Le ventre. The arms, these les bras. Les bras. The hand, la main. La main. The fingernails, is les orteils. Les orteils. The legs, les pieds. Les pieds. The knees, les genoux. Les genoux. Les genoux. Your back is le dos. Le dos. While the boobs are called les seins. Les seins. And the hair around the sex is called le pubis. Les pubis. Les pubis. And the sex itself is called le sexe. Le sexe. If it's a vagina, it's called le vagin. And if it's a penis, it's called le pénis. Le pénis. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. And give this video a thumbs up and leave any comment on this video or any suggestion for our next video. Thank you guys.